So today's topic is the endocrine system. Introduction to the endocrine system. The endocrine system is the control system of ductless gland that secrete the hormones with specific organ. Hormones act as a messenger and are carried by the bloodstream to different cells in the body, which interpret these messenger and act on them. It seems like a far-fetched notion or idea that a small chemical can enter the bloodstream can and cause an action at a distance located in the body. Yet this occurs in our bodies every day of our life. The ability to maintain the homeostasis and response to stimuli is largely due to the hormones secreted within the body. Without hormone, you could not grow, maintain a constant temperature, produce offspring, or perform the basic action and the function that are essential for life. The endocrine system provides an electrochemical connection from the hypothalamus of the brain to all the organs that control the body, metabolism, growth, development, and reproduction. So, there are two types of hormones secreted in the endocrine system. First is steroidal hormone, second is non-steroidal hormones, means protein-based hormone. The endocrine system regulates this hormone through the negative feedback, except in very specific case like childbirth, increases in hormone activity, decrease the production of that hormone. The immune system and the other factor contribute as control factor also. All together maintain the constant level of the hormone. Next is the type of gland. Exocrine gland. They are those which release their cellular secretion through a duct which empties to the outside or into the lumen of an organ. These include certain sweat glands, salivary and pancreatic gland and mammary gland. They are not considered a part of the endocrine system. Endocrine glands are those glands which have no duct and release their secretion directly into the intracellular fluid or into the blood. The collection of the endocrine gland make up the endocrine system. The main endocrine glands are pituitary, anterior and posterior pituitary lobes, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal cortex, medulla, pancreas and gonads. The pituitary gland is attached to the hypothalamus of the lower forebrain. The thyroid gland consists of two lateral masses connected to a cross bridge that are attached to the trachea. They are slightly inferior to the larynx. The parathyroid glands are four mass of the tissue, two embedded posteriorly in each lateral mass of the thyroid gland. One adrenal gland is located on the top of each kidney. The cortex is the outer layer of the adrenal gland. The medulla is the inner core. The pancreas is along the lower curvature of the stomach, close to where it met the first region of the small intestine, the duodenum. The gonads are found in the pelvic cavity. So here we have completed the basic definition of exocrine gland, endocrine system. So hope you will understand this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.